Hello, class. Welcome to our final week. This is it. This is the last week. Now, I want to encourage you guys to come out strong, finish all of your assignments, make sure you complete everything. Make sure that if you have zeros, that you submit any missing assignments because this will increase your grade. Remember, some points is better than 0 points. So let's get rid of the zeros and submit all of your work this week, okay? I know it might be a lot, but you want to finish strong and you want a good grade in this class, right? So before we get into what we're going to talk about in week 5, let's review week 4, problem solving. You guys were strong in the discussion board. Really enjoyed some of your comments in the discussion board. Also, the assignment that we had about Aslan. We had some really good comments about what Aslan should do. I really enjoyed reading how you guys broke down what you think is important for Aslan, and I guess that transfers from what you would want. You know, how you would make a decision for your life. Some of you thought about the finances part where maybe that would be too much of a strain on Aslan's parents financially. Some of you talked about the importance of really raising his GPA, and then some of you was strongly leaning towards Aslan doing what he loves and choosing a degree that would help him do what he loves. It was great reading those comments and reading how you process through that. So you guys give yourself a hand clap for that because you did a great job. Now remember, when you were making decisions for your own life, those same values, those same core values that you were projecting onto Aslan, whether it be financial stewardship, or whether it be having a good grade and doing your best work, doing your excellent work, or whether it be doing what you love so you can be passionate and doing excellent work in that field. So when you start making personal decisions, you can use those same values to make your own decisions, and those decisions will be right for you. There was not a right or wrong answer to the problem of Aslan. It was about how you process it. And I think what we saw in your answers was your core values and how you answer those or how you solve those problems. So with that being said, if you have questions about what are my core values, shoot me an email, give me a text or whatever, and I'll break them down to you. Great job on that though. Now, let's go into week 5. We're going to talk about growth mindset. Now that you've established that you can solve problems, and I think that you can see that your core values drives your decision making and your problem solving. So now let's see how we can have a growth mindset using those same core values, right? So we're going to talk about growth mindset, embracing challenges, the power of mistakes. A lot of people go around going, oh, I made a mistake, and we stay in that cycle of, oh boy, I can't get over this mistake. Well, there's power in mistakes. And so we're going to talk about that. Remember, Thomas Edison, I mean, how many times did he fail before he was successful? Look that up. So, and then we're going to talk about the power of yet. Even though you made mistakes, yet, where are you going? We have some powerful videos, and then you have, of course, a reflection in your discussion. And then you're going to talk about considering your personal mindset. Don't focus just on the mistakes that you make. Focus on where you're going. How do you want to get there? And reflect on that. How yet can transform your mindset. I want to hear your reflections on that. Give me some powerful words. Change your mindset from the mistakes you made or the past, and let's talk about where you want to go. This is the first class in your journey to your degree at Vista College. You're setting the course for the rest of your life. So in your papers or in your reflection, I want you to be sure that you project what you really want from Vista College and from your degree, and how that's going to transform your mindset. Okay? Remember, this is your last week. Make sure that you've completed your end of course survey. Make sure you turn everything in on time. This week ends Friday at 11:59 p.m. So everything is due. Missing assignments, discussion board posts, and your assignments for this week is due Friday by 11:59 p.m., okay? If you have any questions or you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact me, okay? You guys have a great week.